Steven! Steven!
Hey, Frankie. What?
It's broken.
You always say that.
No, somebody did it good this time. For real.
Where did you even get that?
Down at the landfill with these gloves. What? This thing's like brand new. That wheel thing won't go back on the side to cover the chain. The chain brake's engaged. The chain what?
The chain brake.
Why'd it do that?
Because you took the cover off with the brake on. I have no idea how you did that.
I started fixing it.
That sentence scares me.
It almost fit.
You're forcing metal on metal.
Maybe the saw just needs a little encouragement.
That's not how that works.
Oh, Uncle Mike's a mechanic and he fixes transmissions with a hammer.
That actually explains a lot.
Will gravity fix it?
What?
Can you fix it with lube?
Maybe.
So basically it trapped itself.
Sure.
That's just bad engineering. Uncle Mike wouldn't like it.
No, that's user error.
I watched a YouTube video and they said to use a big old pry bar.
No. Here's the correct way to reset it manually.
Step 1, lay the chain brake flat or place in a vise. Step 2, grab a screwdriver and an opened end wrench. Step 3, place the end wrench on the brake gear, not too deep. Step 4, insert the screwdriver through the box end of the wrench. Step 5, turn the wrench clockwise to unlock the brake. That looks better already. So I don't need Uncle Mike's transmission hammer?
No.
I need to go check all the saws I got from the dump.
Please don't.
For science.
Frankie, you're the reason warning labels exist.
And?
Well, Frankie, I need to get back on my other restorations, so...
Okay, well, I'm gonna go do a little restore myself. I have this ready in about a half hour. I'll call you.
Be careful out there.
No, Uncle Mike, I didn't forget your transmission hammer.
Thanks for watching.
Steven! Steven! Steven!
I can't even see this really. Is it rolling? You always say that. You always say that. What's new? What's new? You always say that.
The saw broke itself. The saw broke itself. The saw broke itself. The saw broke itself. It's broke.
Hey, Frankie. That's bad.
Practically brand new. It was worth the $150 I gave the guy at the dump. Down at the landfill with these gloves.
What now? Uncle Mike is wrong again.
Why would the saw do that? Why would the saw do that? Why would the saw do that? My old Uncle Mike fixes transmissions with a hammer. My old Uncle Mike fixes transmissions with a hammer. What if you pull the trigger? Can you fix it with lube? Will lube fix it? I can't handle all this negativity.
What if gravity resets it? Maybe.
No! Ah, crap. Okay, well, I'm gonna go do a little restore. I'll start over.
Thanks for watching.